Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming gear and light. Attach the kit lens, clear the contacts, and make sure focus mode is AF. This avoids hunting. Then choose aperture priority so you control depth of field, and set ISO low for clean images, raise only if needed. Once done, adopt a stable stance and set a shutter baseline between 1/2 and 1/250th of a second to freeze moderate motion. Now refine composition and focus. Place your primary focus point on the subject's eye or detail, and use back button focus so autofocus doesn't interrupt framing. Practice the rule of thirds and move physically to change perspective rather than relying on zoom. That keeps sharpness. If you need a tighter look, step back and use a longer focal length because optical compression from the kit lens improves backgrounds and subject separation. To finish a strong shot, confirm exposure using the histogram, avoid clipping highlights on the right edge, then review the RAW preview at 100% for sharpness. If lighting is tricky, bracket exposures by plus or minus 1 stop, because RAW gives you recovery room. If images are soft from motion, increase shutter speed or stabilize with a tripod, and if autofocus misbehaves, switch to manual focus.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.